that.
Oh. Tapos mag-break ka na.
Park ako.
Wow.
Cause baby like, ooh, it's all another flower lane. The sun goes around the state. Can't wait for the long day. Cause baby like, ooh, it's all another flower lane. The sun goes around the state. Can't wait for the long day. In the sun when I found you, the one you call. You got what I need and you always be turning my sky blue. But maybe I can't get to you. Why don't you come to stay? Cause baby like, ooh, it's all another flower lane. The sun goes around the state. Can't wait for the long day. Cause baby like, ooh, it's all another flower lane. The sun goes around the state. Can't wait for the long day. Go and open the door. And I've been waiting so long. The time for you has come. I want you show. The rain has been around for way too long. Cause baby like, ooh, cause baby like, cause baby like, ooh, it's all another flower lane. The sun goes around the state. Can't wait for the long day. Cause baby like, ooh, it's all another flower lane. The sun goes around the state. Can't wait for the long day.
Sige, dyan ka na. Doon sa dulo. Dali.
See how the bus.
Getting married after 30 is still beautiful. Starting a family after 35 years is still possible. And buying your first house after 40 is still a boss-ass move. Don't let people rush you with their timelines. Just move as you. Just move as you. Turning gray after 26 looks pretty good on you. Taking a year to go and travel the world. Could be when you're 42, still in love with your soul. At 80, drinking your coffee and going on dates. There's no rush and no timelines. Just move as you. Just move as you.
Oh, fried food. Also, guys, Sammy, we have a fridge right here. Fridge. Link, you didn't have a fridge. The washroom seems pretty nice as well. We got the new room, by the way. New room, but what is that, mold? We got this strawberry thingy. And also like a cross one. And this one. So cute. Got this one. And then like a cat, a little cat. Cute. And then I think he got a bracelet as well. Nice. Ooh.
Hey guys.
Okay, alright. Maybe you're fine, and it was me the whole time, and I just can't help but fight. You're alright. All the feelings inside, all the lost life catching up with me on my ride. Fuck all that fake ass shit.
Hi guys, it's New Year's Eve. Actually, it's New Year's. I'm walking back to our hotel room with some twisted hard iced tea. So, yeah.
Picture on my wall and I think about you. Said I hated all the distance, but further I pushed through. Looking back and all I'm trying to do is solve the issue. What's the use in hindsight when you're alright? Maybe you're fine and it was me the whole time, and I just can't help but fight. All the feelings inside, all the lost life catching up with me on my ride.
zip line is. With the high definition.
Just take this out. You'll never be. That's all you want. Put in your heart. In your heart. Just one more night. I'm coming up and you're only right around. I'm on my way. That's all you want. Put in your heart.
Look what I got from Fremont Experience. So I got this black cat that says Las Vegas at the back. This sushi thingy. Look at the butt. And I've got 3 keychains.
Never mind, oh, bring me all of your gray skies. The moonlight never seems so bright until it's the only source of all of your light. Oh, someone's calling, it's not me there. Scream and talk about your destiny, but sunshine, never mind. Give me all of your gray skies. I can't hide from the skies above. They're chasing me down, trying to find your love. I didn't mean to take it this far, but here we are, right in the back of my car, saying it's your fault, but it's okay, love. Promise I'll love you anyway, so sunshine, never mind, oh, bring me all of your gray skies, yeah. Moonlight never seems so bright until it's the only source of all of your light, oh. Can't see the future, can't see the past, I can only hope that this will last, oh.
Babe, look at the lineup. The in and out. I'm gonna drink this beer. I don't know if it's beer. Something. And I also got pizza. A veggie pizza. First veggie in 4 days. Or 3 days. I don't know if I can finish this. Usually my boyfriend finishes it. You want some, bro? Oh yeah, I don't know if you can drink. I see. Oh, this one's really good. How much percentage is this? This is even alcohol. It says it contains alcohol. Hello. Today we're leaving Vegas and back to Calgary. So we're just packing, waiting for my brother. Oh, this one's swollen. Yeah. My camera stand. Oh, shake well, I didn't shake it. Oops, oops. So bright. Oh, sweet. My coffee.